Hello, today I'm making potato wedges, and the first thing I've done is I've washed my potato because I'm not peeling off the skin. Then I'll go in with a sharp knife and I'm going to make 2 slices, and then on each slice it's going to give me 4 potato wedge shape. Yes, so this is how it should look if you're making potato wedges. Make sure your knife is sharp and you've chosen at least a good size of a potato. Big one, I prefer big potatoes. Then I'm going to wash my potatoes. Yes, and after this I'm going to boil them in hot water for at least 5 minutes. Then I'll remove them so that they don't overcook, and then I'm going to wash them again with cold water so that they don't continue cooking. Then I'll add cooking oil with paprika, garlic powder. Then I'm going to mix this well. Then I'll go ahead and add some salt, mix it well, and some rosemary. Then I'll mix this well. Then the last part is optional because I love my food spicy. Then I'll add some chili flakes, and I'm going to mix this well and put in the oven for 220 degrees Celsius until I feel my potatoes are done. Thank you so much for watching.